Hey folks, this is Keith Grimmins with Construction Equipment here at ConExpo 2026. I made it outside to the festival lot. First thing I did was come to the link belt booth. I love excavators. I'm here with Wyatt Skaggs. Wyatt, thank you for taking the time.
No problem. Thanks for being out here and tanning with me a little bit this sunny day.
I know, I tan beautifully, as you can see. Wyatt, you got some cool new machines out here, but I really zeroed in on your new X4S machines. You've got two new ones here that you're sort of completing your lineup, your revamped lineup, 145, 245. Maybe you could tell me about the difference of how these evolved from the X4 series to the X4S.
I would love to. So the 145 X4S and the 245 X4S are great additions to our end of our lineup in the MSRs. Minimal swing rotation is what we shorthand MSRs as. But these models and what they're different from the X4 to the X4S is they come with advanced features as optional. So advanced features on these machines are going to be height depth alarm, payload, and digital level. Height depth alarm is great for setting a barrier up above you where you can go to and it'll alert you, and then a depth below that'll alert you.
I love that tech.
Yeah.
So cool.
And then payload is going to be measuring material so you know what you're moving in and out of a job site. It's a good way to create billable material for general contractors to know how much dirt they're moving. Digital level will keep you on an even playing field so when you're digging, you know you're firmly planted. It's available both on the 145 and the 245 as optional.
Awesome. Now these is 14 and 24 metric ton machines, right?
You got it, yep.
What kind of contractors are gravitating towards that, and what sort of applications are they using them for?
Yeah, I'm glad you asked. So typically what we see with these types of machines, so our MSR machines, we see a lot of inner city work. So municipalities love them, city love them, government loves them, utility contractors love them. So getting in tight areas, if you think about driving down the road, you can hop in one lane, rotate in your tracks. You never have to worry about extra permitting or anything like that. Keep inside the barrier. So people that need to work in tight areas with high performance, that's why you hop into one of the MSRs in our lineup.
Awesome. You talked a little bit about technology there.
Sure.
Some cool additions that you're adding to these models. What else? I know you have a new monitor in there, is that correct?
Yeah, so we have a little bit larger monitor. So we went from a 7-inch to an actual 11-inch monitor on the inside.
Okay.
You also have programmable tools inside the monitor too as well. It's a nice new feature. All your AC controls are also at the monitor, so no more digging behind your seat to control the AC.
Awesome.
Everything's right in front of you.
Yeah.
Also inside the cab, speaking of AC, we've repositioned some AC vents so you have more performance. It's actually blowing in your face, which everybody likes AC blowing in their face, not blowing just randomly throughout the cab.
Yeah.
It's a much upgraded cab over for X4 to X4S.
Awesome. Well, thinking about link belt in general, when somebody comes to you guys, what do you think you represent? What is your brand differentiator? Why do people love the link belt brand so much?
I think you have over 150 years of heritage. Yeah. So you go back 150 years till now, we've constantly improved our product. It's not stagnant, we're not stagnant, we constantly improve. Everybody out here has relatively good machines. I think where we set ourselves apart is everybody wearing these blue shirts today, and then work back in Lexington and all across the United States. We are what makes the brand go and what makes it special.
That's awesome. Okay, somebody looking for a new excavator, looking for those size classes, 14, 24 metric tons. What are the questions they should be asking? What do they should be thinking? Beyond application, of course, what are you doing? But what other sort of stuff might they not be thinking of that you think they should be?
That's an excellent question. I think that question's thought of a lot, and I have a good answer. So first, if you rule out application, you know I need this machine this heavy. How are you hauling it? What else do you want to do? Because these are not just one-trick ponies. They do multiple different things. That's what's great about our machine. Multiple applications. It's not necessarily just for one application. They can do a wide range. So if they know what application they're doing, it's how are you going to haul it? That'll set your size class. And then what tech you want on your machine. Do you want advanced features as standard? Do you want them as optional? That would also help you decide your machine as well in our lineup.
Awesome. If people are looking to get more information about link belt, where would you send them?
Go ahead and head to our website at lbxco.com. And then you can head to our equipment page. We have X4 and X4S there. We also have material handlers and forestry equipment. Then we have a dealer locator map, so if you're curious what dealer is closest to you, you can type in your address there and it'll tell you what's closest to you.
Awesome, Wyatt. Thank you for taking the time, sir.
It's been a pleasure.
Yeah. This is Keith Grimmins with Construction Equipment. Be safe, be productive, and we'll talk soon.